Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine injections. First, understand that L-Carnitine is a natural compound vital for energy metabolism, helping transport fatty acids into your cells for energy production. Injections offer a direct and efficient way to deliver this nutrient into your system. It's crucial to always consult your doctor to determine the correct dosage and ensure it's appropriate for your specific health needs. Before you begin, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to maintain sterility. Next, select an appropriate injection site, typically a muscle like your thigh or upper arm, and clean it well with an alcohol swab. Allow the area to air dry completely. Also, ensure your L-Carnitine vial has reached room temperature for a more comfortable injection experience. Carefully draw the prescribed dose of L-Carnitine into a sterile syringe, avoiding air bubbles. Pinch a small fold of skin at your cleaned injection site. With a swift, confident motion, insert the needle straight into the muscle at a 90-degree angle. Slowly and steadily push the plunger to inject the solution, then withdraw the needle smoothly. After withdrawing the needle, apply gentle pressure to the injection site with a clean cotton swab or gauze. Avoid rubbing the area vigorously. It's vital to immediately dispose of the used needle and syringe in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental injury. Always store your L-Carnitine vials according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.